You gonna get in your new house? New house. Hi. There you are. New house. Do you like it? Yeah. Do you like your new house? Do what? Yeah? You want to get out? Well, crawl out. You going out the back door or are you going... Nope. There you are. There you are. You want to get back in? You Thanks for telling me, baby. I know. Yes. Says he. You did. Seriously. Madison. Oh, don't fall down. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's gross. Don't spit. That's gross.
No.
No, that's gross.
No.
Yuck, yuck.
No.
No. Can you hold still? Where are you going? Hey, Madison. Look at mommy. Can you say yellow?
No.
Can you say globe? What are you doing? Madison. Say globe.
Go.
Say yellow globe. Say yellow globe. Madison.
No.
Yes. You gonna take that in your house? You what? A drum? Are you playing the drums? Making pretty music. Good job. Are you dancing? Can you do the, Can you sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider for me? What? What you find? Your drum? Hey, Madison.
Hey.
Yellow globe. Hey, Madison, look. Look at mommy. I love you. I love you.